Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the anticholinergics. So, anticholinergics is used for the anti-emetic drug. It is used as a anti-emetic drug. It is used as a anti-emetic drug, or the prevent or suppress of the prevent or suppress of vomiting, prevent or suppress of vomiting by the anticholinergic drugs. So the anticholinergic drugs is what is the examples of this anticholinergic drugs? Examples is the hyoscine hydrobromide, hyoscine hydrobromide drug. The hyoscine hydrobromide drug is one of the example, and one more example is dicyclomine. Dicyclomine. These two are the example for the anticholinergics. These are prevented in the it is act as the emetics and prevent in the, and suppress of the vomiting. So in here, what is the formula of the hyoscine hydrobromide? So chemical formula. What is the chemical formula? So chemical formula is the C17 H22 Br NO4 3H2O. This is the chemical formula of hyoscine hydrobromide drug. So hyoscine hydrobromide drug is it is a alkaline substance. Alkaline hyoscine. It is also known as a this is also known as a scopolamine. This name is one more name, scopolamine. So what about these physical characters? What is the physical characters of this particular hyoscine hydrobromide? It is this drug is a colorless substance. It is a colorless substance. And the next one, colorless substance, white crystalline powder. It is a white crystalline powder. So these are the mainly treatment in the nausea, vomiting, and the next one, it is used as a depressant of the central nervous system, CNS depressant. It is used as CNS depressants, and prevention of the motion sickness. So this is used for this particular diseases, different types of diseases. So this is about the introduction of this particular hyoscine hydrobromide drug. So the hyoscine hydrobromide drug, in here, what is the mechanism of action of this hyoscine hydrobromide drug? Mechanism of action. So in mechanism of action, this drug is mainly this drug is inhibit the muscarine action. This drug is a inhibition of or stopping of the inhibits the muscarine action. Muscarine action. What is the muscarine action? Muscarine action means only definition of the muscarine action. Muscarine action means decreases the heart rate and increases the muscle activity. Muscle activity is decreases the heart rate by this particular anticholinergic drugs. So this is called as a muscarine action. This action is inhibited by the hyoscine hydrobromide drug. So muscarine action of the acetylcholine and prostaglandin, these different types of effectors also there. So it is act as a gastrointestinal anticholinergic drug. It is act as a gastrointestinal cholinergic drug, anticholinergic drug. Anticholinergic drug. That is the mechanism of action. So what is the dose of the drug? What is the dose? So dose is the adult dose is what is the adult dose? So the adult dose is a 0.125 to 0.25 mg only. 0.125 to mg only. It is administered per a day 3 times every 8 hours. What this is the about this particular which one drug? This is the oral drug, means in available in tablets. This is the oral drug. And what about the IM route? The IM route or subcutaneous route, this is a 0.25 mg to 0.5 mg every 6 hours. It administered per a day 4 times. It administered per a day 4 times every 6 hours. This is every 8 hours. This is every 6 hours. And the next one, what about the children dose? What about the children dose? The children dose is especially children dose is a 1/4 of adult dose. 1/4 of the adult dose. So this is about the children's below. This is about only below 2 years children. And above 2 years children, what about above 2 years children? 1/4 adult dose. 1/4 adult dose. This is about the dose of these children and as well as the adults. And what is the contraindications? Contraindications. So contraindications is contraindications is the hypersensitivity to the anticholinergics. Hypersensitivity. And the next one, it is a gastrointestinal obstruction also. Gastrointestinal obstructions. And the next one, headache. The next one, this is the example of the contraindications. That's enough. And the next one, what is the side effects or adverse effects of this drug? So this drug is mainly effect on the vision, means blurred vision occur. Blurred vision. And the next one, tachycardia. And the next one, dry mouth, rashes, allergic reactions. So insomnia. These are all the side effects or adverse effects for this drug. And the next one, what is the pharmacokinetics? So first of all, administration, distribution, metabolism, excretion. So it is administered through oral route or IM route or subcutaneous route. And the next one, it is distributed through blood and body fluids. And the next one, metabolated in the liver and kidney. And the next one, distributed. The next one, excreted as a urine. So what is the half-life of this drug? T50 or T off half-life. The half-life is a 3 to 5 hours. 3 to 5 hours. And the next one, what is the T90? T90 is a 5 to 9 hours. 5 to 9 hours is the T90. So this is about anticholinergic drugs. So in here, what is the role of nurse? So to assess the nausea and vomiting. And pain in abdomen, pain also. And the next one, to assess the heart rate. And intake and output ratio. And to assess the intake and output ratio. And the next one, evaluate the therapeutic response. And the next one, evolution of the vomiting also. So, and the next one, not to crush, to assess the not to crush of tablets and chew of this particular tablet. This is the role of nurse. And then they say about the anticholinergics. It acts as a emetic and anti-emetic. What is the uses? So the next one, what is the uses of this drug? So already we are discussing here, it is used as a anti-emetic, prevent and suppression of the vomiting, prevent and suppression of the vomiting. And the next one, it is used as a CNS depressant, CNS depressants. And the next one, this drug is used in the sedative, act as a used as a sedative drug, sedatives, used as a sedatives. Sometimes it is used in the treatment of the peptic ulcer, sometimes used as a peptic ulcer, and other drugs. These are the common uses for this anticholinergics, especially hyoscine hydrobromide drug. So this is about our topic ma. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.